Hi, Ken from MakeTech here. In this video we're just going to have a really quick look at how I've done this 3D printed part. In Fusion 360 I've done a sketch, extruded that up, basically put a few holes in there and put a sketch on the front, put the DXF of the company brand on there, and yeah, that's basically it, ready to export out to the slicer and then 3D print. I added some chamfers on there to help the bolts go in when I screw those in. And there it is, looks nice. Okay, here it is printing. Sorry, the video on this one is not very good. I should have cleaned the window better there, but in any case. And here it is finished. Turned out really nicely. This is the Isan ABS Plus Pro. Yeah, I just cleaned up the little brim off the edge, and look how nicely it fits onto the stepper motor. Just clips on beautifully like that. You can see the MakeTech brand embossed in there, turned out nicely. Here it is with a few other parts I've printed recently. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to see some more upcoming videos.